Hey guys, it's Pets for Life here with the last part of the hermit crab care video. Right now I'm going to talk about how to handle your hermit crabs and their behavior. When you're getting your hermit crabs, you want to get more than one because they're very social despite their name, Hermit. They will live in the wild in groups of 100 or more, so you always want to make sure you get them a good buddy or companion. You don't want to overcrowd their cage like most pet stores will. I like to go by the rule, 1 hermit crab per 2 gallons of terrarium space. So I have a 20 gallon, so I can technically fit 10 hermit crabs in here, but for now I just have 2 because I just moved my 2 from their 5 gallon to their 20 gallon. So I might be getting more later on. Another thing that I've noticed about these hermit crabs is they usually have their own personalities. Riff Raff is usually very camera shy, and he doesn't like it when people look at him all day. And when he is out and about, he will run around the cage, he'll do tens and thousands of laps, and then he'll just go settle down. But Fredger is more of a climber. Riff Raff is too, don't get me wrong, but Fredger will like to climb all over the place, and he'll just stay there, and he doesn't really like run around everywhere. When you're handling your hermit crabs, make sure you always pick them up by their shell. Do not scoop them up. Do not pick them up like this if their claws are open because they will pinch you. And then when you're putting them in your hand, make sure your hand is nice and flat. Your palm is open. You don't want to curl your hand around like this or do that because it will scare them. I know you're just trying to protect the hermit crab from making it fall, but just make sure you have a nice open flat palm. If you do like this, you see those little crevices in your hand, they will grab onto that and they will pinch you. Another thing that you want to make sure you do when you take the hermit crabs out is you want to give them a good little mist because they will be out of their humid environment, so you don't want them to suffocate. And yeah, so that's basically everything about hermit crab behavior. Oh, just one more thing, I totally forgot about this. When you are getting hermit crabs, make sure that they're generally the same size. Bigger ones will tend to pick on the smaller ones. Sometimes, if they're cannibals, they will eat them, so make sure you have them at the same size. So yeah, that's basically all you need to know about how to handle your hermit crabs and what their behavior is like.